CEM IV Crud, Pozzolanic cement. Low heat, high durability, sustainable performance.
CEM IV is a blended pozzolanic cement defined in EN 1971, a mixture of Portland clinker and pozzolanic materials.
Common pozzolans include fly ash, calcined clays, natural pozzolans, and silica fume. Each adds pozzolanic reactivity.
Under EN 197-1, CEM IV is classified into A and B types depending on pozzolan content. Pozzolans react with calcium hydroxide to form additional CSH humor, the gel that strengthens concrete over time. CEM IV produces less heat during hydration, ideal for mass concrete, and reduced cracking risk. Reduced permeability and enhanced resistance to chlorides and sulfates make CEM IV suitable for marine and aggressive environments.
CEM IV is widely used in dams, foundations, marine works, and chemically exposed structures.
By replacing clinker with pozzolans, CEM IV lowers the carbon footprint of cement production. Strict quality control and standardized testing ensure consistent performance for CEM IV blends. Adjust mix water and admixtures for desired workability. Pozzolans can affect setting and flow. Avoid poor curing and improper storage. Follow EN 197-1 dosing guidelines for consistent results. CEM IV delivers sustainable, durable concrete for demanding projects. Want to learn more? Subscribe to Cement Talk and hit the bell.
Subscribe for more cement and construction insights.